Top 5 sports cars with the most reliable engines. Number 5. Toyota GR86. Introducing the Toyota GR86, a beloved choice for enthusiasts. This second-generation model offers affordable thrills with its powerful FA24D flat-4 engine, producing 228 horsepower. Say goodbye to the previous torque issues as this new engine delivers a truly fun driving experience. While not perfect, the 2024 GR86 boasts a solid quality and reliability rating from J.D. Power at 73 100ths. Maintenance costs are estimated at just $1,500 over 5 years, with a low risk of major repairs at only 4%. With inexpensive replacement parts akin to models like the C6 Corvette and Honda S2000, owning a GR86 is both exciting and budget-friendly. Number 4. 2020 Chevrolet Camaro. Experience the peak of performance with the 2020 Chevrolet Camaro. With a variety of engine options including a turbocharged 4-cylinder, V6, naturally aspirated V8, and supercharged V8, along with 3 transmission choices, there's a Camaro for every driver. The standout SS model boasts a responsive 6.2-liter LT1 V8 that offers power and reliability. Not only does the LT1 V8 stand out as the most dependable option, but the 2020 Camaro as a whole has been recognized for its quality and reliability. J.D. Power rated it an impressive 88 100ths, while RepairPal estimates maintenance costs to be only $585 annually. CareG even reported a low 4% probability of needing major repairs in the first 5 years. Drive with confidence in a Camaro that delivers on all fronts. Number 3. 2010 Nissan 370Z. The Nissan 370Z exceeded expectations as it stepped up from the 350Z, delivering a larger and more powerful 3.7-liter V6 engine while shedding weight. It maintained the Z lineage with enhanced performance and reliability, earning a quality and reliability rating of 84 100ths from J.D. Power. Plus, with annual maintenance costs averaging just $504 and being over $1,000 cheaper to maintain over a decade compared to the average car, the 370Z is a solid choice for enthusiasts. Number 2. 2024 Porsche 718 Boxster Cayman. Experience pure driving pleasure with the 718 Cayman and Boxster. From the exhilarating performance to the top-notch chassis, these cars are a driver's dream. Upgrade to the GTS 4.0 for a powerful flat-6 engine with 394 horsepower, or stick with the base model for a thrilling ride regardless. And don't be misled by rumors. The 2024 718 boasts an impressive quality and reliability rating of 86 100ths from J.D. Power, making it a standout choice for long-term reliability among European sports cars. Number 1. Toyota GR Supra. Discover the surprising source of reliability in the Toyota GR Supra. It's not Japan but Germany. This powerhouse sports car boasts a BMW engine known for its durability and potential for increased power. Consumer Reports praise its quality, with J.D. Power giving it an impressive score of 78 100ths for quality and reliability. And maintenance costs are low, with CareG estimating just $1,818 over 5 years and a mere 3% chance of major failure. The Toyota GR Supra is also celebrated for its thrilling driving dynamics and sleek design. Its chassis, co-developed with BMW, ensures agile handling and a smooth ride, making it a joy to drive on both highways and winding roads. The interior combines luxury and sportiness, featuring premium materials, a user-friendly infotainment system, and a driver-focused cockpit. With a perfect blend of performance, style, and reliability, the Supra stands out as a modern sports car that doesn't compromise on practicality or excitement. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe,